this is another long tail cast on, and it's called Bulgarian or Latvian or Estonian, and it's a very pretty double cast on. I'm going to measure the amount of stitches that I need. So that's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there we go. I have my 12 turns there. I'm going to leave the short tail in the back because I already measured the yarn that I need for my stitches, and I'm going to make a slip knot right there, or I can start with passing my yarn through. So that's, let me show you how you pick up your yarn the same as always. Put your needle on top and turn it. And now you can start casting on the normal way. You pick up the front and pass the back through and pull. Now, that's way number one. Way number two is that you pick up your thumb and pass the yarn from the bottom to the top. And now you're going to pick up that middle strand and you're going to pass the back yarn through. There we go. Now, again, normally you're going to pick up the front and pass the yarn through, and then from the bottom to the top and pick up the middle strand and pass it through. So you're going to be alternating one and one. So again, put your fingers in normal, pick up the front, pass the back through, and then pick up from the top to the bottom. That middle strand you're going to pick up and pass the back through. Again, normal, and then you put your thumb from the bottom to the top and then pick up that middle strand and pass the back through. Again, normally, and pass the middle yarn through. And you alternate those very nicely, and it looks very pretty. There we go. 2 more. And then I do recommend that the first row that you work would be a purl. So like that you have this in the front. And of course it depends on what stitch you want to make for your project. But I do recommend that you make the first row a purl, so this would show. So I'm going to take some pictures of this and show you how it looks when something is already knitted. And thank you for watching, and share us with your friends, and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.